I'm often thinking about what I'm really trying to do with this channel around exposing people to wine and getting them to get outside of their comfort zone and try a lot of different things. But it gets me thinking, like, I don't tend to focus here on soil, the winemaking process. A lot of times I don't even focus on the stories behind the wines, like with some of the producers I do, but by default I don't. I tend to focus on flavors, aromas. Do I like the wine? Is the wine delicious? Things of that nature. But I'm curious what you think. Like, do you like more details on weather, climate, the winemaking process, things like that? Because if you do, I'm happy to go into them. But I came into this channel with a philosophy of, like, I think when we talk too much about that stuff, it overcomplicates the wine process, and it can turn people off. So let me know in the comments what you think, what you want to see more of, or if you like the way I focus on a wine.